Hello, today's video will be how to check for a faulty fuel pump. In this truck's case, the truck runs for a few seconds and then ends up dying out. Or as in the previous attempt, it didn't even want to start, which the way this truck is idling, it leads me to believe that it's a faulty fuel pump. So what we want to do is locate the Schrader valve. And for this 5.3, we want to remove this top cover. And what we're looking for is a black cap located on the fuel rail. And this is our Schrader valve cap. And all we gotta do is unscrew it. And now we want to use a fuel pressure gauge. And this will screw right into the Schrader valve. And you always want to use safety glasses as well, because under normal conditions it will be pressurized. So what I do first is cycle the ignition key on and off a few times. And you can hear the fuel pump come on pretty strong. And right now it does look like it has good fuel pressure. And now let's see what happens when we try to start it. And this definitely means that we have a bad fuel pump. And now a day has passed and the fuel pump has been replaced. So let's take a look at what the fuel pressure looks like now. And this is what normal fuel pressure should look like after replacing the fuel pump.